Hello, my people. My name is Auntie AI. It is my pleasure to teach you step by step how to make your picture talk with natural gestures without any payment and stress. Okay, let's go there. Please watch closely. Remember to like and share. Drop questions on comment section.
So now to generate a picture, go to your Meta AI. That is in WhatsApp. Search for it. Okay. Then type this prompt. Generate an image of an African young lady dressing in corporate in front of a microphone facing the audience. The thing will generate without wasting time. This is just your WhatsApp Meta AI. Okay. So look at what he generated, but I don't like this, so I have to try another one. So generate an image of African lady dressing corporately in front of a microphone. Okay. So this one is good, but let me try another one. Let me try a better one. This one is good, but let me see whether I can get a better picture. Okay. So let's try and see. Generate an image of African lady dressing corporately in front of a microphone facing the camera. So I want the person to face the camera. Okay, this one is better. Guys, this is awesome. I like this. This is okay. So let's work with this. So you just save this video. Sorry, the picture. Guys, once you go to Google to search for this app, this HeyGen. So once you type HeyGen, you see HeyGen AI. So click on the HeyGen AI. That's all. So if you click it, it will land you here. So you pick this. I think it's very okay and simple. Sign in through Google. Okay. So very important, you change your phone to desktop mode. Look at it there. So desktop site, just put it. The app work best with laptop, but with your phone you can still do it. Okay. So I have signed up already with my Firefox, Mozilla Firefox. You can also use Chrome. So this is the app. I have just logged in now. So you click on create. So you click on create and you see photo to video. Alright, down there. So you click on photo to video. So automatically the photo will talk. We don't need to go and animate it. So I have to change my phone, as in change it, rotate it. So put it in rotation to rotate, so that thing will be clear and it will help you to navigate in the site. Okay. So let's go and add that picture that we generated with our Meta AI at the WhatsApp. So let's search for the picture. The picture is supposed to be down there. Okay, this is the picture is coming. So if you watch here, you will see that the picture have landed. So YouTube used to be in landscape. So and the picture is somehow portrait. So the YouTube have already cut the head of the picture. So here you have two options, either portrait or landscape. So if you choose landscape for YouTube videos, landscape is the best, and that is what is recommended. So this is the portrait. If you choose portrait, the picture will appear in full. So what will happen here, I will choose a landscape because this is a YouTube video. If I choose it, there is a symbol at the left down end here. Okay, so I will just click that symbol. Yeah, click it so that the thing will leave my picture as it is, but the video will still be on that landscape. Alright, so during my editing I can place it well in my video. So guys, we go ahead. So the next thing is just to go and copy my prompt. So before now you must have typed your prompt. Yes, so my prompt is ready somewhere, so I have to go and copy it. So guys, I have copied my prompt. That is what prompt is, what the picture will say. So as you can see it from here. Hello my people, my name is Auntie AI. Okay, so that is that. So once I have pasted it, you have the option to upload if you have it anywhere. So my own, I have copied it where I saved it, I have pasted it. So the next thing is to do is just to choose the kind of voice you want. See where the voice is, you select the voice. Okay, so I select. So here you see type of voices, countries. So mine is Nigeria, so I will just come here and type Nigeria to get a Nigerian voice. Okay, if it's on laptop you can easily play the voice. Okay, so I'll just scroll up and choose we have Fola. Okay, let me go for Zara. You see Zara. Okay, so I click Zara. Okay, so that is it. So but if you want your own voice, you want to customize it, you can still go back and customize it. You have you can see that you have new voice here. You see new voice, you click it. Either you upload a voice or you create your own. So but this video is not for that, so that we should not waste time. Okay, then we have select that. Okay, then the last thing we should do is before we generate here is where before we generate is here. Just check this one is advanced. Okay, this is the last step you take. So you click on advanced. Once you click advanced, you will see the prompt there. So we have 3 things it's supposed to show. It is coming up. It's coming up. So here is the facial expression of that picture. So you have excited and emotive, warm and welcoming, calm and composed, fiery, determination. That is when somebody is maybe mean, something like that. So but for the sake of this video, I will choose this one, this warm and welcoming. That is the one I will choose. Okay, so once you are done with it, bam, you pick it. Then guys, finally go and generate your, just go and generate. So this generation, you generate and wait for the video to be produced. Okay, you will see it on your own clearly. So the video is generating now. After some seconds, sometimes it takes minutes to generate. So this is awesome. It has generated already. And sometimes it takes some minutes depending on what is processing. So I'm downloading the video now. Okay.
Hello, my people. My name is Auntie AI. It is my pleasure to teach you step by step how to make your picture talk with natural gestures without any payment and stress. Okay, let's go there. Please watch closely. Remember to like and share. Drop questions on comment section. Hello, my people. My name is Auntie AI. It is my pleasure to teach you step by step how to make your picture talk with natural gestures without any payment and stress. Okay, let's go there. Please watch closely. Remember to like and share. Drop questions on comment section.
So what you do now is just to download the video, save it in your device. That's all. So I've downloaded it. I'm saving it now. So that will be all for now.